Hello little learners. Today we'll explore short vowel, A, words with fun families. See how small letters make big new words like cab, lab, and tab. Here we go.
As you can see these words, ab, ab, ad, ad, ag, ag, am, an, app, app, at. So these are all adverbs, 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 am, an, app, adverbs. Let's read adverbs first. Please repeat after me. Ab, cab, ab, dab, ab, gab, ab, jab. Now let's learn adverbs. Ad, bad, ad, dad, add, had, add, lad. Now let's learn adverbs. Ag, 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 bag, ag, gag, ag, nag, ag, lag. Am family words. Am, bam, am, dam, am, jam, am, ham. Now let's learn an words. An, can, an, fan, an, man, an, pan. App, 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 cap, app, lap, app, map, app, nap. Last family words is at, at, bat, at, cat, at, fat, at, hat. So these are all adverbs, 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 am, an, app, adverbs.
Hello little learners, thanks for your support. Like, share, and subscribe to Tiny Tutors TV. Tap the bell to see our next fun video.